So we're finally going to be taking a break and going to Spain for a couple of weeks. Borgia's family have not seen Danteo in person yet, which is insane. So we're going out there and we're going to be spending a bit of time with your family, aren't we?
Yeah, we can't wait.
It's been very stressful for the past couple of weeks because we sent off Danteo's passport to register him here legally and stuff. They said they would have it back in 4 weeks and they didn't. We've just received it today. We thought we'd have to go to the US Embassy again, down London. Thankfully, that was okay.
Yeah. I'm really excited because we're having a break, you know, we need it.
So my patience is wearing very thin with the Dyer house because when we address something, there's another problem. We woke up this morning to find that the roof was leaking. The roof is leaking on our brand new oak floor that we haven't stained. Yay! Wonderful.
What's happened?
Exploded on me.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna have to wait to harden because otherwise I'm not gonna.
You got it everywhere.
I know. So while we're away, we're going to our apartment in Spain. We may get an opportunity to do a little recording and show you around there. We have a very old historic apartment in the city of Malaga. It dates back to 1890, something like that. There's an apartment per floor. It's beautiful and it has these amazing hand-laid mosaic tiles which are different patterns in every room, different colors. They're stunning.
That's what made us buy the apartment, it was the floor.
Yeah, and actually when we restored the bathroom, it didn't have the mosaic tiles and we laid the mosaic tiles again.
We brought all the tiles from England.
Because it was so hard to source in Spain. We are in the process of trying to create Danteo's nursery remotely because we don't have the time when we're there. And we compromised because Danteo's room was going to be our ensuite, and after 8 or 9 years of owning this place, we still didn't get around to finishing it. So in the end, we're like, okay, it'll be better as his bedroom for now, so.
So we'll show all the plans because we're making a nursery for Danteo. We want to make sure that when we're in Spain, he's got his own space and then he feels like he's at home. You know, this was always the aim. That's why we kept that apartment. My mum lives there. It's just to feel like we go from home to home. That was very important for me.
So we are currently in IKEA because we are looking for, we're gonna have for Danteo's nursery in our place in Spain. Just checking what we could do, how we could hack it to make it look a bit more expensive.
Probably could like not fit that for now until it gets bigger because
Yeah.
this is more than enough.
Yeah, that's good. That is the cot that my mum bought us for Spain, which again, you know, is great. It's wood. We want to kind of like just have it in wood just in case that we want to stain it or do something. We know we're gonna add some cute caster brass wheels. It is all in tiny size. Look at in comparison. Look how tiny it is, the wardrobe in comparison to them. But I think it's got everything that we need. This is very cute, you know. I think it's enough.
Borgia really wants to do something in Danteo's room in Spain, and I've said no, and even Borgia's mom said no, but it's like, I'm doing it. So I said, I'm not getting involved at all. I'm not helping him do it. I'm going to go out for tapas with his mom and Danteo, and he can...
I just want to have like something different and cool. So just thinking I can have some really nice wallpaper and then paint the IKEA furniture.
I said to Borgia, there's a reason why the Spanish don't really do wallpaper. It's because it gets so hot in Spain that I think the wallpaper will just peel off the wall.
Yeah, my mum said no because we have got very beautiful flooring, you know,
And
like
it takes the focus off that.
It's just like it's in a clash.
Yeah.
But I'm just like, I don't know, just let me do me.
Okay.
I love Malaga. Like there's so much amazing history about it. You know, the roof terraces in Spain are the best because the weather allows you to kind of like enjoy the fresh air at night, have amazing views. Dean's absolute favorite restaurant in the whole world, which we go there every time.
Yeah, and our anniversary is coming up and we always make sure we do something for our anniversary. So we're planning on doing a little few day cruise.
Yeah.
And it'll be our first time away from Danteo, which will be really weird, but Borgia's mum is so excited to be able to have him and look after him for a bit.
It's going to be my mom, my aunt is going to be there as well, and my brother with his kids. So yeah, the house is going to be full. Definitely everyone is very excited to look after Danteo. We're trying to basically juggle a lot of things to be able to just keep up with payments of this big place.
So sometimes we have amazing opportunities, don't we? So we are actually going to go on a cruise, but it's also going to be work, testing out a new cruise line and seeing what we think and sharing it with our audience, which is such an amazing opportunity for us because we do get a little bit of a break even though we are working. And even when we're off for 2 weeks, we'll still do some recordings to show you what we get up to on the cruise with our family, our apartment in Spain.
And how to make it a budget nursery, but make it look quite fun. So we're gonna take a couple of weeks off and we're gonna be back with lots of new episodes of like Saving the Manor Season 2.
If you didn't know, we had a season on HGTV called Saving the Manor. It was an 8-episode series,
Yes, it was.
all about the restoration of this place. Now,
A lot of people that you guys subscribe to this channel is because they're like, when is the season 2 of Saving the Manor coming up? What is happening? You coming because you've watched the first season and you're like
waiting for season 2.
Okay, this is probably the most asked question. What happens behind the scenes when we film the first show? Did we like it? Did we not? And a lot of great stuff.
So when we're back in a couple of weeks, we can finally talk about Saving the Manor Season 2, and we'll also reveal what it was really like filming the first season with HGTV. Yeah, and how we got on with our first season, how it really was to do a TV series for HGTV, and the ins and outs, the backstory, the behind the scenes, you name it.